audience. My name is Jules Van Holt. Welcome, Laurie. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you. I live in a penthouse in LA with my husband and my chihuahua and a goldfish. I work as a designer for my own brand, LCLA.
Well, that sounds nice. So you're really living the American dream. Tell me about it. Is it true that you started out just as a teenager, creating your own clothes, and then crashed a party and showed all your clothes and everybody loved it?
Yes, I'm afraid that's right.
Why did you do that?
Well, I started creating clothes when I was young. And my mom always told me that someday I would be a great designer. But then she died in a car accident. And I continued creating clothes, but my dad told me I should stop. He thinks it was silly. Then I was to this party, and I want to prove in front of my dad that I actually could do this. It was Killer Cure.
Well, that sounds like a dream true. Was your dad at the party?
Yes, he was.
What did he say? Was he angry or was he proud?
First of all, he yelled at me for crashing the party. But after a while, he got proud of me, and he told me he was wrong.
But how did you come from that to where you are now?
At the party, there was a magazine editor who called me afterwards and told me if I could create something that would look good on her, she would write an article about me.
Well, I guess you've been very busy since then. We all know that the fashion world is tough, but you made it through. And you're a big role model for a lot of girls all around the world.
I'm just glad that I can inspire others to live out their dreams. I mean, if I could make it, everyone can.
That's a good way of thinking. You make a lot of money, right? What do you do with them?
Of course, I have to pay for me and my husband and for penthouse and my chihuahua. But then I have my own charity foundation to help people with living out their dreams.
You're really helping others reaching the American dream. That's so beautiful. Thank you for coming, Laurie. It was nice to get involved in the way you reach your American dream. That was all we got today. See you next, where we're talking about Justin Bieber. If you want to watch the transmission again, you can go to thejulesshow.com. Thank you and good night.